Are you wondering how the Lakeview, Chicago real estate market is performing this summer? Maybe you're concerned about rising prices or the best time to invest in a condo. Well, we have the answers for you today. Today, we're diving into the Lakeview, Chicago real estate market report for condos in June of 2024, packed with insights and data to guide your investment and decisions if you're looking to buy or sell. Hello, my name is Hugo and I'm with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate expert here in Lakeview, Chicago. Let's break down the latest market trends and statistics so that you can make an informed decision about buying or selling a condo in this vibrant neighborhood. All right, let's dive in. In June of 2024, the median sales price for condos in Lakeview was $465,000. That's a significant increase of almost 19% from the previous month, which was $390,000, and a 5.96% higher than June of last year, $439,000. This is the highest median sales price we've seen compared to the last 2 years. So the average sales price also saw an impressive rise of $527,000, almost $528,000. It's up 13% from May of last month and 9.8% higher of last year. Demand for condos in Lakeview is driving prices to the new heights. The sales price to list price ratio remains steady at 101%, indicating that the condos are still slightly above the listing price. This stability suggests it's a strong seller's market. However, the number of properties sold in June of 2024 was 148, a slightly decrease from May, which was 156, and a 9% drop from June of last year. This dip could mean fewer listings are meeting buyers' expectations or a seasonal trend. The average days on the market decreases to just 13 days, down from 16 in May last month and significantly lower than 21 days last year in June. Faster sales indicate higher demand and a quicker decision making for buyers. The average sales price per square footage in June was about $334 per square feet, stable compared to the May, but it's up about 5%, and it was actually $317 last year. So this upward trend in property value. The number of properties for sale dropped also to 164, a decrease of 4% from May of last month to 24% of last year in June 2023. With lower inventory, buyers face more competitive and higher prices. So new listings also fell to 204, down 8% from the previous month and 4.5% lower than June of last year. This reduction in fresh inventory could continue to drive up prices as demand outstrips supply. So whether you're looking to buy or sell a condo in Lakeview, Chicago, navigating these market trends can be complex. That's where I come in as your trusted realtor. Reach out to me at 773-550-4846 and let's work together to achieve your real estate goals. I'm here to guide you every step of the way, ensuring that you're never alone in your investment and journey. And if you find this video informative and educational, don't forget to follow us on your social media platform, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.